Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax here in the Greenville, South Carolina location. Do a video walkthrough of a 2024 Yamaha 252 SE. This has the two-tone brown interior with the tan sea-deck flooring. Awesome big bow on this boat. Some seating options. You can move these cushions out right here and put your feet down. Front ladder with the anchor off the front, really handy. Nice, really big bow. In-floor storage, nice walk-through. Passenger co-captain area, nice storage under here. Huge storage up underneath here with great area. This boat, because it is the 252 SE, comes with the really cool water seats that go in the back. It does have a removable table that can go in 2 locations. Big wraparound seating with movable backrests, so you can slide them to have a chase lounge on either direction. So really handy for comfort and ergonomics. Flip up rest right here and storage. Really cool area here. You can flip this down, put a little table up, folds back, and then nice storage in there with a tucked away cooler. Over here in the helm, have the big Connect screen, phone charger. This screen has navigation, GPS, really cool technology. And this has the 1.9 liter twin engine motors. Awesome boat. As you can see, it has the nice full big bimini coverage the tower does fold down. So come on out, check out our 252 SE at MarineMax. We'll have it online on our website. And then you can always give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thanks.